Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm just some guy trying his best. Today I wanted to talk about how I was able to create a ready to film at any moment makeshift studio, specifically about lighting. The entire smart feature of this room is brought together with the Echo Dot, which I refer to as computer. She controls 100% of the lighting in this lab. Next is the Gosund Smart Power Plug. It works great with Google and Alexa. The cool thing about this is it's a smart plug with a mini Wi-Fi surge protector. It has 3 USB and 3 charging ports. What's tying this all together is the Neewar wall mounting boom arm. This is a triangle base for photography or videography. It has a 66.5 inch arm with a 180-degree rotation. It is directly placed in the center of the room, that way it can reach all 4 corners. This holds the Andoer tripod ball head. It gives me 360-degree rotation, which helps with the lighting in every single corner. This holds up the Neewar 34-inch Hexadecagon, which is a collapsible folding softbox that also has a removable internal and external diffuser with a grid. Now we get to the star of the show, which is the Aputure Amaran 100X. If you're interested specifically in this light, make sure you check out one of my older videos where I do an unboxing and a quick look at it. The key reason why I created the Mifflin boom arm is so that I can have the convenience of a setup with a hair light. Now with the Aputure Amaran 100X light along with the Neewar softbox, it's a pretty big setup. So building it up and tearing it down every time I want to film something is a pain, especially for a small-time YouTuber like myself and having a very small studio space to actually do this. The functionality of this, being able to have it up on the ceiling, tucked away in 180 degrees in any corner that I want, and able to hit all 4 corners of the room, works out great. The previous hair light I had weighed about 15.5 pounds, and then you throw on a softbox, it brought you to closer to 18 to 19 pounds. So with the new Aputure light, it comes in at 7.5 along with this Neewar light, which brings it under 11 pounds. So I'm able to have a lot more confidence in the light staying up on the boom arm than I did before. Summing it all up, I've had 3 different iterations of convenient lighting, but I found that the MIF is the best setup for me. The MIF is the best setup for me because this room is very small. I'm able to hit every wall with proper lighting with minimal setup. If you want to know anything more about how I film these videos or my setup, let me know in the comments below. In the future videos, I'm going to be working on a desk tour and a studio tour, so I'll try and incorporate as much information as possible. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Alright, I'm just some guy trying his best. Thanks.
There were no crowds, so I need one now. I don't need one now.